So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, by the title, actually I don't really know what the title is, but basically I'm going to be cleaning my room and going through my closet again. I have a whole bunch of clothes that I have to give away because a lot of it don't fit me and it's not really my style anymore. So I'm going to go through all my closet, and my room is a disaster right now, honestly. Like my counter, everything's just, it's not looking good. I don't know what happened this past week, but it's a mess. So I'm gonna clean it today. It's like 6 o'clock at night, so, but it's still bright outside, so we're gonna clean it. And I wanted to videotape this and bring you guys along. I look like a hobo today, so just ignore my face. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video and just keep watching to watch me clean, reorganize, and all of that. Okay, so we're gonna go through my closet first. My door is finally fixed. Oops, I'm about to break it again. I'm gonna move this mirror out of the way though, so I can open it all the way. So now that we got that out of the way, I have a whole bunch of clothes that I don't wear and that don't fit me, so we're gonna go through all of that. I made a mistake going through all this. I'm gonna go through my drawers here. I have like a small little drawer area in my closet for like my pajamas, workout clothes, and shorts and stuff. This looks like it's crooked. It was. But I'm just gonna go through this because I have shorts, dresses, skirts, and stuff that I don't really wear. It's really hard because I have like, where I live, there's like 2 seasons. There's like summer and winter, and like a lot of the time it's like cold here, so that's why I have a lot of sweaters and stuff. And then I have like jeans and like hoodies. It's like I have to have both, if that makes sense. So yeah. Okay, so here's the thing with these jeans. I got these from American Eagle, and okay, I still wear them, but like the last time I wore them, I hated what they look like on me. But they're like humongous on my waist. They don't fit me properly. Also, they have these huge ass holes in them because my thick thighs rip them. So yeah, they're just ripping even more. They used to have like small little rips and then it's spread. So I think I'm gonna give these away. Someone else can enjoy them. I've had my good use out of them. Also, like my ankles, they show like this much of my leg, and I'm like, that's not cute. It just, no one needs to see my ashy legs. So I'm gonna give this away. Okay, so I don't know if I should keep this or throw it away. It's kind of oversized, but at the same time, like, everyone needs a good oversized cardigan. But I don't know if this is too oversized, but I spent $40 on this, and it was regular $80. So, hello? Yeah, you can come in. Okay, so I'm gonna be back. I'm here with my bug glasses. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna go get some sushi with my mom, and then I'll come back and clean the rest of this when I'm done doing that. So, okay, yeah. Okay, I had my sushi. Sushi. Okay, so I finally finished cleaning my room. That took like 2 hours, but it's fine. But it's finally clean. Everything's organized. I'll show you guys the finished overview. Yeah, it's pretty clean. Actually, it's really clean compared to what it was. I just need to vacuum a little bit, and that's pretty much it. But this is the finished clean product. Alright, so that is going to finish my cleaning my room, organizing, declutterizing, I don't know, cleaning video. But I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe down below. This was just a small little part of the day in my life. It's usually not this messy, don't get me wrong. But yeah, I just needed to clean and get rid of some stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe down below. I promise I don't look this ugly every time. Well, I look like this a lot of the time, but that's besides the point. But yeah, I love you guys. Do not forget to love yourself. And until next time, I will see y'all later. Peace out, scouts. Bye.